Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling, exercise number 13. We make this 3D model with the help of this diagram in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Launch your SolidWorks software. Click on New. Select a part. And then OK. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. You can check the link of this diagram in the description for your practice. First, we analyze the diagram and decide the steps. At the start, we select the front plane for the sketch and draw this profile, like F shape. Then extrude this up to 90 millimeters. Next, we draw the triangular shape through Cutout. Next, we select the top face of the solid model and draw a rectangle at this corner and according to dimension. Then cut through from this solid. Our 3D object should be completed. Let's start modeling. Select the front plane and click on the sketch. Go to the Sketch tab and select the Line tool. We start the sketch from the left side base corner point. Select the origin point for the first point of the line. Draw horizontally straight to the right side. Put the value 18 millimeters and press enter. Continue to draw a line vertically straight to the upside. Put the value 45 millimeters and press enter. Continue to draw horizontally straight to the right side. Here we need to calculate the length of the line. If you notice this diagram, there was total width is 50 millimeters minus 18 millimeters. Press enter. We got 32 millimeters length of this line. Continue to draw a line vertically straight to the upside. Put the value 12 millimeters and press enter. Then, draw horizontally straight to the left side. Put the value 22 millimeters and press enter. Continue to draw a line vertically straight to the upside. Put the value 24 millimeters and press enter. Next, draw horizontally straight to the right side. Put the value 22 millimeters and press enter. Continue to draw a line vertically straight to the upside. Put the value 12 millimeters and press enter. For the next point, we get a tracking reference of the origin point and select point here. Also, you can enter the value 50 millimeters as shown in the diagram. For the next point, we select the first point of this sketch for the close this profile. Also, you can enter the total height of the diagram. Escape the command. Make sure we draw lines with correct dimensions. Our sketch is completed. See here our sketch is fully defined. Go to the Feature tab and select the Extruded Boss Base tool. Put the extrude value 90 millimeters and click on Mark OK. Next, we need to cut out this triangular shape from the solid object. Slightly rotate this object. Select the face and click on the sketch. Press the Ctrl key with 8 to make a sketch plane or face normal. Go to the Sketch tab and select the Line tool. Approximately I select the first point here on this edge. Select this corner point for the second point of the line. Continue to draw a line to the left side and select the next point on this edge. For the next point, we select the first point of this sketch for the close this profile. Escape the command. We need to fix dimensions for this profile. Go to the Sketch tab and select the Smart Dimension tool. Select this edge and this corner point. Place the dimension. Put the value 10 plus 40 millimeters and press enter. Similarly, select this edge and this corner point. Place the dimension. Put the value 45 plus 22 millimeters and press enter. Our sketch is completed. Go to the Feature tab and select the Extruded Cut tool. Slightly rotate this object to get the idea of applying the 3D feature. Set the view like this. Drop down the Direction 1 options and select Through All option. See the preview. Click on Mark OK. See, our profile is cut out from the solid object. Now next, we need to cut out this rectangular profile from the solid. Select this top face and click on the sketch. A little bit rotates the object for draw sketch comfortably. Go to the Sketch tab and select the Corner Rectangle tool. Select this corner point for the first point of the rectangle. For the second point, move the cursor in this direction. Put the 40 millimeters value for the length of the rectangle and press enter. Now we need to calculate the value for the width of the rectangle. The total width is 50 millimeters minus 32 millimeters. Press enter. We got 18 millimeters width of the rectangle. Escape the command. Go to the Feature tab and select the Extruded Cut tool. Slightly rotate this object this way to get the idea of applying cutout feature. Set the view like this. Once we select the Through All option from here for applying Cut Extrude feature. See the preview. This feature will cut out the profile perfectly, entire through from the solid object. Click on Mark OK. See, our profile is cut out from the solid object. Our 3D model is completed. Let me choose some color for this object. Click on this Edit Appearance. From this section, choose any color which you want. And see color apply on this 3D model. I hope all the steps you have understood. If you do not understand any of the steps, then comment to me. As soon as possible I will answer you. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next exercise tutorial. Have a nice day.